Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. I am the owner of BAM Custom Creations. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Badass Business Box from TheCookeCo. I've been super excited about this. This is not just a Tumblr thing. This is a small business thing, a big business thing. I have been in love with TheCookeCo since I found them 2 years ago, and I think that they've definitely helped my business exponentially. TheCookeCo is a company based on helping other small businesses. Now, I am firm in believing that you should not be spending so much money in packaging. While presentation is very, very important, I don't think that you need to be paying so much for packaging that it cuts into your profit. You're a small business. You don't need to spend a lot of money to make presentable packaging. Not only packaging stickers, they also sell vinyl stickers. So you can buy them single by themselves. You can buy their vinyl stickers wholesale and then in turn sell them at retail prices in your store, or even just use them as little freebies in your products. And it won't cost you anything but, 15 to 50 cents, depending on how many you get. I think these are great little things to show your customer that you appreciate them without cutting too much into your cost or your profit and having to pay too much out of pocket. I'm going to be doing a breakdown of what you get in the box versus what you would pay to buy all of these things individually, and why I think these business boxes are just going to be the next big thing. I love this. So I am super excited to get started. So let's do it. Each month that TheCookeCo does these boxes, they're going to have a semi-theme to them. So the theme for this one, you can see in the thanks for being kick-ass, that sticker in the corner is kind of the theme, the aesthetic that this box will have. So here's me opening it. The vinyl stickers that came in it, the bottom of the bag broke, which is probably the first time in the literally hundreds of vinyl stickers that I've ordered from them that this has happened. So I went ahead and set those aside for right now and then started grabbing everything out that is included in the box. So I wanted to show you guys my receipt. These are $195. It comes with 5 sets per design and 100 vinyl stickers. So one set of packaging stickers at TheCookeCo are 3 sheets of paper. So that means you're getting 15 sheets per design. So let's go ahead and look at what's included in this month's business box. So the first set of stickers are the Happy Mail from bamcustomcreations.com. This is where it can be semi-customizable because you can put in your website, your Etsy shop, or whatever it is that your business platform is on. And then the next set of stickers is also customized to your state. So I'm from Maryland and ship from Maryland. So these are Maryland stickers that have that same tie-dye pattern. I love putting that on there because it's fun to see where your packages are coming from. In my opinion, I like those stickers. So the next set is these Your Order Made My Day. I love these. I have a few different styles of these stickers because your order does make my day. It really does. These are one of my favorites. It is the Babes Support Babes. I love the retro tie-dye style that these are in, and these will be going on all of my packages because I firmly believe Babes Support Babes. Now, these are the postal worker stickers that TheCookeCo is also known for. Postal worker stickers go on every single one of my packages. It's just a little thank you for them being a significant part of my business. No matter how frustrating it can be at times, they're still appreciated, they're still human, and they're still helping us. So last are the set of thank you stickers, which again, I usually have a thank you sticker on all of my packages. So what I wanted to show you guys is when I get my stickers in, I typically like to pull off the backing. That way these are easy to pull up. I mean, they're easy regardless to pull up, but they're easier to pull up and stick on your packages without having to worry about it. So I usually pull off all the backing. It's super easy to do. This is also personal preference, whatever you guys want to do. I usually keep my stickers in it's like a accordion big binder thing that separates them. So some people do binders with like the clear sheets. So now I'm going to show you these vinyl stickers. Again, they all go with the aesthetic of the packaging. This is Be Kind to All Kinds. I had a really hard time getting my camera to focus, so I promise it's not blurry in real life. I have ordered hundreds of vinyl stickers from TheCookeCo. I buy them wholesale. I think these are great to resell in my business. I also get custom because out of all the sticker companies, TheCookeCo, hands down, has the best quality in their stickers. So as you can see, it just has a clear backing. The stickers are all glossy. They're waterproof, UV proof, scratch resistant, top notch. So all of these stickers that I got in here are going to be little freebies in my packages because I love throwing in freebies that don't cost me a bunch, but also the customer will love. So let's go ahead and talk about cost and breaking down the cost. This box is $195. There is no shipping cost. TheCookeCo does free shipping. I am a VIS member, which means I get a monthly discount code that I get to use unlimited amount of times with TheCookeCo, and it's typically 20% off. April's was 25% off, so I got a little lucky getting 25% off this box, which was $50 off this box. They have a ton of reps that you can also use a discount code for 10% off. So I'm going to list a 10% discount code below for you to use. So in this box, you're getting 100 vinyls and 6 designs with 5 sets of each design. So you're getting 30 sets of stickers, which means you're getting 90 pages of stickers and 100 vinyls. Now, their vinyls typically cost about $50. So their regular packaging stickers are average $10.50 per set, which again is 3 pages per set. Semi-customizable packaging stickers are about $12.50 per set. Again, 3 pages. And plus on top of that, they have a lot of their stickers can be customized not just to your business name, but they can do foil. They have a whole bunch of different foils that you can select from. You can change it from, they have mini sets and they have large sets. So if you want a mini set, it comes with more stickers. I like the mini sets when I ship out vinyl stickers or decals because I'm using a small envelope and I don't want to put big stickers on there. I put littler stickers on there. And those are usually $1 more. So the cost of this box, if you were to purchase everything separately by itself, would be $375. So you're saving $180 right off the bat by getting this business box. I'm going to tell you the price of each sticker. So one sticker on one sheet and what it costs, because you have to think about those things when you're packaging. So one vinyl sticker is 25 cents. One thank you sticker is 6 cents. The postal worker and the babe support babes are 9 cents. The Your Order Made My Day is 6 cents. The Maryland sticker is 7 cents. And the Happy Mail from BAM Custom Creations is 11 cents. So if you use every single one of those stickers on a package and you also include a free vinyl sticker for your customer, that is 73 cents in packaging. And that's if you use every single design on your package, which you don't have to do. So you're getting, for this box, because it's going to vary each month, there's 450 total thank you stickers, 300 postal worker stickers, 300 babe support babe stickers, 450 Your Order Made My Day stickers, 420 Maryland stickers, and 300 Happy Mail stickers. So you're getting all of those stickers that are going to be put on individual boxes for the cost of $195. I know it seems like a lot, and I promise you, once you break it down, it's not. I get a lot of compliments from customers about the packaging stickers. I have a lot of people who love the postal worker sticker. That one is for sure on every single one of my packages, unless I run out and then I don't have them on there. So I have to wait till more come in. But even if you did 100 packages with every single one of those stickers, I mean, it's 73 cents for packaging. And then you including the vinyl sticker that your customer now gets as a freebie. As a, hey, thanks for shopping small. And it's not going to cut in huge costs. Now, again, you don't have to use every single one of these stickers on your packages. You can literally pick and choose which ones you want on there, and you're still going to have over 2,200 individual stickers for your packages. So you're going to have, of all these designs, all the designs combined, you're going to have that. So anywho, I'm going to link all of the TheCookeCo's links below. I'm going to include a discount code that you can use at any time on mostly anything. They have tons of sales. I recommend joining their Facebook group. It's a very supportive community. Natasha is a fantastic business owner. I love ordering and supporting her business because she's just an all-around amazing human being. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. If you've used TheCookeCo before, let other people know what you think and how you feel. And I will be doing a video hopefully soon on packaging different types of products for you guys and cost breakdowns so that you can ship your packages the most cost-effective way, but also have it look presentable for your customers. So make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, do the little notification bell, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys next time.